2026 Audi Concept C, the future of electric sports cars. Audi stole the spotlight at the 2025 IAA Mobility Show in Munich with the stunning debut of its Concept C, a sleek electric coupe that's been stirring up plenty of speculation. At first glance, many thought it was destined to replace the beloved Audi TT. Others whispered that it might be the long-awaited successor to the R8 supercar. Instead, the Concept C carves out its own lane. When it enters production next year as a two-seat EV, it won't wear the TT or R8 badge. Instead, it's being positioned right between them, a bold new chapter in Audi's performance lineup. And while no official name has been confirmed, odds are high that e-tron will make an appearance. A design that nods to the past, but looks to the future. Although it's not replacing any icon, the Concept C borrows from both. Its flowing proportions and low stance recall the spirit of the TT, while the muscular rear haunches bring a hint of R8 aggression. Some enthusiasts even spotted shades of Audi's legendary 2000 Rosemeyer concept. But make no mistake, this isn't retro. Audi calls the Concept C a preview of its post-2027 design language, a look that will influence everything from sports cars to SUVs. Even though this particular coupe will be electric only, Audi says the styling will work just as well on models with internal combustion engines. Inside, Audi is embracing a back-to-basics philosophy. Forget screen overload. The Concept C's interior is clean, simple, and beautifully tactile. Switchgear crafted from machined aluminum clicks with a satisfying precision, a reminder that driving is meant to be felt, not just tapped. A rebirth for Audi design. For years, Audi built its reputation as the brand that set design trends. The Concept C is Audi's statement that it's ready to reclaim that crown. With a wave of new models on the horizon, this coupe signals the beginning of a sharper, more emotionally engaging era for the four-ring badge. The market for electric two-seaters heats up. If you're wondering whether the market has room for an EV sports coupe, the answer is yes, and Audi won't be alone. The Concept C will join Porsche's upcoming electric 718 Cayman, with both models expected to share Volkswagen Group's next-gen EV platform. Price and positioning. In the US, the Concept C should land between the former $60,000 TT and the $160,000 R8, which puts it in the $90,000, $100, 000 range. That makes it an attainable dream car for buyers